Right now, minimalist psychology videos are absolutely exploding on YouTube. Channels like Einzelgänger or After School get millions of views just by explaining life lessons with simple drawings. And in this tutorial, you'll see exactly how you can make your own version, step by step, completely from scratch. We're going to build a channel called Stickman Psychology. The best part is, you don't need to draw a single line. We're going to use AI to generate the scripts, the characters, and the animations for you. First, open the GPT link I left in the description. It's called the Stickman Sage. It opens right inside ChatGPT. Click on Start Chat. Now type your episode concept. For this example, let's go with the danger of comfort. Hit enter. The GPT will start writing. First, it gives you a 120-word voiceover script. This script is written to be reflective and wise, perfect for this niche. Then, it breaks that script down into exactly 6 visual scenes. You'll see shot 1, shot 2, all the way to shot 6. Each shot has a description and, most importantly, an image prompt inside a grey code block. This is the prompt you need for the AI art generator. See that copy button in the top right corner of the code block? Click it. That copies the entire prompt for shot 1. We're going to use this in the next step. Scroll down and look at the other prompts. Notice how they all describe a minimalist stickman with a large circular head. That's the character we're going to use. Go ahead and copy the prompt for shot 1 if you haven't already. Now open Google Flow. We're going to turn that text into an image. Paste your prompt for shot 1 right there. Now, before you hit generate, we need to make sure our character looks the same in every shot. I've included a reference image of the smug stickman in the description. Download it to your computer. Now in Google Flow, look for the image prompt or structure reference upload button. Click it and upload that stickman reference image. This tells the AI, keep the style exactly like this. Now look for the model selector. Click on it and choose Imagen 4. This model is incredible for clean, black and white line art. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 if you're making a YouTube video, or 9:16 for shorts. Click Generate. While that's rendering, go back to the GPT. Copy the prompt for shot 2, go back to Google Flow, remove the old prompt, paste the new one, and make sure your reference image is still attached. Click Generate again. Do this for all 6 shots. When you have all 6 images, download them to your computer. Click the download button on each one. Now we need to make these images move. Go to Flex Clip. We're going to use their AI video generator. Click on Tools and then Image to Video. Upload your first image, the one from shot 1. Now look for the model selector. Choose Kling Standard 2.6. This is the best model for keeping those thin lines stable without warping them. In the text prompt field, we need to tell the camera how to move. Since this is a minimalist style, we want very subtle movement. Type static camera, slight breathing movement, or slow zoom in. Keep it simple. Click Generate. It will take a minute to render. When it's done, you'll see your stickman slightly moving, making the scene feel alive. Change the motion prompt if you need to. Repeat this process for all 6 shots. Once they're all generated, download each video clip to your computer. One more thing before we move on. I mentioned the reference image earlier, but let me emphasize why it's so important. Whenever you generate a new scene, whether he's climbing a mountain or sitting in a chair, uploading this reference image ensures his head shape and body proportions stay exactly the same. Without it, your character might look different in every shot, which ruins the storytelling effect. Now, doing this manually for every single video takes time. If you want to build a whole channel fast, you need a system. We've built that system for you inside our school community. The link is in the description. In the Stickman Psychology lesson, you'll find a link to our custom Airtable template. Click that link and duplicate the base to your own workspace. You'll see a simple table. In the topic column, just type your video idea, like the power of habits or overcoming fear. Then click the automation button. The system will automatically run the GPT prompts, generate the images with the correct reference, and even create the video clips for you, all in the background. It turns an hour of work into a few minutes. Now let's bring the video to life with sound. Go to Flex Clip. We need a track that sounds reflective and a bit philosophical. In the Music tab, search for ambient piano or minimalist lo-fi. You want something that sits in the background without being distracting. Find a track you like and add it to the timeline. Now for sound effects. Still in Flex Clip, go to the SFX tab. Search for things like paper crinkle, pencil scratch, or whoosh. These little sounds help sell the hand-drawn vibe. Download a few that fit your scenes. For the narrator, we need a voice that sounds wise and calm. Go to 11 Labs. In the Voice lab, look for a voice that is deep and soothing, maybe Marcus or Storyteller. Paste the 120-word script the GPT gave you earlier into the text box. Click Generate. Listen to it to make sure the pacing is right. If it's too fast, add some pauses or commas in the text and generate again. Once it sounds perfect, click the download button to save the audio file. Now open the editor in FlexClip. It's time to put it all together. Drag your 6 video clips onto the timeline in order, shot 1 through shot 6. Now drag your voiceover audio onto the audio track. You'll probably need to adjust the length of your video clips to match the narration. If a clip is too short, you can slow it down slightly or loop it. If it's too long, trim the end. Now drag your music track onto the bottom layer. Lower the volume to about 10% or 15% so it doesn't overpower the voice. Finally, add your sound effects at the transition points between scenes. This adds a nice layer of polish. Your video is done. Now you need to publish it. You could upload it manually to YouTube and TikTok, but that's inefficient. Instead, use a scheduling tool. If you're just starting out, Metricool is a great free option that lets you post to multiple platforms at once. If you want more power, use Vista Social. You can upload your video, write your title and description once, and then schedule it to go out on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even Pinterest all at the same time. You can schedule a whole week's worth of content in one sitting. Remember, the full breakdown, the prompts, and the Airtable automation template are all available in the school community. The link is right there in the description.